Hello everyone, today we'll show you what innovations and upgrades KAMSIN V1015 has made by comparing it with the commonly used vnailer on the market. If we want to switch the magazine size, traditional vnailers are cumbersome to deal with it. We have to disassemble the magazine, pull out the adjuster ruler, and insert it into the corresponding groove. We need to put all the parts back on correctly before we load the nails and start working. KAMSIN V1015 is much simpler to operate. No disassembly and reinstallation. By only sliding the length adjuster, free conversion can be achieved to adapt different sizes of nails. Other vnailers on the market come with two angle locators, one for angle alignment and the other for body balance. Angle locators have a specific multi-orientation and are not suitable for beginners to install correctly. KAMSIN modified the angle locators of V1015. A balance bracket is added at the end to maintain balance. Only one rotatable angle locator is sufficient for the nailing of both inside and outside corner of the frame. The unique and practical design of KAMSIN V1015 enables the tool to be more convenient, easy and practical to use. Even beginners can pick it up quickly.